What? I know you're up to something.
And Liam, tell everybody how old you are.
5. Whoa, guys! I was like trying to I let go of the gas and it kept going for a minute.
You did a good job. Hello.
Welcome to 3B Toys. Hi, boys and girls. Today we got an RC Air Hog.
This is your first Air Hogs, Liam?
Yes.
Yeah, you've never had one
So
before.
we're bossing up with Daddy bossing it.
Okay, we're going to. This is a special one.
Yeah, it is.
Because not only is it a helicopter, it's supposed to drive on the ground too.
Yes, I bet some of you have seen videos of these. If you wanted to go in the air or the ground. We don't know how much minutes it takes to charge it. No, we don't. So we don't go to boss it up with Daddy. He gonna boss it up. And up here you can see it. That's the real one. It's not a pretend one.
So we're going to be careful when we use it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We don't want to go full speed first. You even have the scissors, so yeah, you're bossing it.
Let's do it!
Yeah!
Tyler, why don't you scoot over just a little bit, just to be safe.
Aha! Aha! Why won't it come out? Why won't it come out? Like you can't get in the box.
Oh! Ooh.
That's cool. Let me see it. Can I see it? Remote control. Whoa. I don't think it's. Can we get this out? Yep, we'll get this out too. Can I see it? Whoa. Yep, that's it. I got some of it out, but don't break the controller. The cover is on. Whoa. If you want to charge it, you want to pull this out on the control right there. Yep. Put back. It's funny because this one has the little white and this side doesn't.
You'll probably see the white when it's flying.
I probably will. I'll probably see it on both.
I think so.
Okay, guys, we're in the basement with Liam's new RC. Whoa! Uh-oh. Okay, so what it does, when he gives it a little bit of gas, it'll roll forward and he can turn. Turn a little bit. Very cool. But if he gives a lot of gas, it will fly.
I sometimes exactly let it drop.
Let's see how you do in that controller. Nice. Nice.
Whoa, hey Daddy, I was like driving when I was in the air a little bit.
Okay. So we've got the propeller on top, we've got the propeller on bottom, and we've got the wheels. And so it slides around, and the propeller itself will turn.
Wow, I just landed just right, like how you taught me to.
Uh-huh. Okay, Tyler's turn.
I'm gonna drive.
Let's see how you do, buddy. Not too much. Okay, stop. Let's go flying.
No, go that way. No, go that way. Go that way. Go up, go up, go up. Go up.
cool. Nice flying. Nice flying. Nice work, Liam. Whoa. Okay, Liam, this RC was yours. You bought it. What do you think of it?
I like it.
You like it a lot?
Uh-huh.
Okay, cool. Well, you're 5 years old. I think you're doing a really good job driving it. So we're going to let you go ahead and keep playing here. But I want to tell everybody to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.